You've got an OBS set up, you're ready to film. Today we're gonna hop in and I'm gonna show you how I go about filming a YouTube video. Now, most of you know my YouTube career started with Destiny 2. I'm retired now, so I only post a couple times a month, but I've loved this game. We go way back to 2014. And so today we are gonna hop in and I'm gonna show you how I go about filming a monologue style gaming YouTube video. If you missed part 1 and you wanna go check it out, that will show you how to set up, how to get OBS ready to roll. But a couple quick things. When I first sit down, one, I wanna double check that everything is set up with OBS, so I'll pop this up on the screen here. I got my recording going. I'm not getting any overloaded encoding errors down below. My microphone is working. Everything sounds good. I'm actually going to drop my mic down a little bit. It's worth double checking all this stuff because there's nothing worse than getting to the end of a video and realizing your gameplay is not being captured, your camera was frozen, your microphone's not picking up audio. All right, so once you're confident everything is working, the one other thing I like to do, and you can do this with your phone, you can do this with an extra monitor. I'll actually swap over and show you. I like to pull up my comment section. It's right to the right of the camera, right here. And so while I'm filming my videos, I love to engage with the community. I like to read comments out and respond to them live here on the videos. Sometimes when it's just you and it's monologue, the biggest complaint and what I hear in the comment section from you guys is, I don't know how to talk to no one. How do I talk to just a camera? Like, how am I talking to you guys right now for minutes and sometimes hour or two on end in order to get that video that you want? Well, one is practice. The more you talk to a camera, the more comfortable talking to a camera you become. But two, it does help when you have conversation starters. This to me is almost a conversation starter. If I'm sitting at a cafe and Mr. Pie said, Geek may have single-handedly brought me back to Destiny, I can respond to that. It's not just a one-way street where I'm sitting and looking at some gameplay and I'm thinking, hope something interesting happens because I don't know what I'm gonna say. So something optional, but if you're looking for ways to stir the conversation when it's just you sitting in the seat, that is one way you can go about doing it. All right, let me get rid of this, back over to our gaming PC. Got Destiny 2 ready to roll. All right, so I have videos on this, but when you're deciding what kind of creator you want to be, the best thing you can do is just sit down, start filming, and you'll learn. You don't have to know, okay, I'm gonna be super entertaining, I'm gonna go for a comedy approach. No, I think it's gonna be super informative. You will learn very early on what kind of content you enjoy creating. For me, in my current lifestyle, working full-time, trying to do this startup with My Creator Insights, which is a website that I've built to be the ultimate toolbox for you guys on your content creation journey. All Patreon members get access to this and an exclusive Discord, so go check it out. First link in the description. I've gotten distracted, but between all of those things, the 2 young kids that I have, my time for filming is extremely limited. So naturally, I like to lean more towards the entertainment route. I want to hop on, have fun, talk to my community, and then share that with you guys. Other people's channels are built around the fact that they're a subject matter expert on some kind of topic. So figure out what you want to do. If you're a heavily technical, research-focused channel where you're giving people information, then your filming approach is probably going to be a little bit different. You're going to have to preload a lot of that work. And when you sit down and film, you can pull up a script and kind of walk through it. If you're like me, it's all about what happens on the fly and reacting to things real time, then most of your work is going to be while you're filming, which is why practice is so important. All right, so I'm going to give you guys a quick example of what an intro could look like for your YouTube channel. I like to have a little bit of a template. I do a little intro, a little welcome. I talk about what we're going to do today. I hop into some gameplay. I start to read the comments. I'm going to do a little bit of this, but not much because I'm probably going to post this video over on the Geekermon channel, so you can go watch the full thing there. But I just want to give you a sense of what practicing feels like and what a raw, uncut segment of filming could look like. All right, so for me, probably pull up my character screen. I've selected a couple of guns here. I think this would be an interesting loadout to do. I'll start with something simple like, yo, what's going on, you guys? This is Mike or Geekermon. Welcome back to another video. I know, it's been a few weeks, all right? I got a lot of things going on. PJ said, well, it was fun while it lasted. 2 weeks, no video. I'm sorry, man. Between work, my startup, and my kids, there's no time for Destiny. But as usual, I missed you guys. I wanted to hop in, play a little Destiny 2. They've added a new event, the New Territory. Apparently, 5 years later, they decided they're finally going to throw some new maps into Destiny 2. Feels good. So that's it. That's usually how it goes. I do that for about 45 minutes, then I start to cut things down. And in part 3, I'm going to show you guys, one, how do I cut out those silences? You know, it's not even uncomfortable for me that I'm thinking of what I'm going to say. There's a little bit of a break, but once I've got it polished and cut down, it's going to feel really smooth. It's going to feel really seamless. So that's going to do it for part 2. Part 3 is going to be all about Premiere. It's going to be all about editing. So keep an eye out for that one. It'll be here soon. Now, I'm going to film this real quick and you can see it on the other channel. But like I said, go watch part 1 if you haven't seen it and get ready for Premiere in part 3 because I think I'm going to post it tomorrow. That's going to do it for today. Subscribe if you're new. I will catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.